Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do Rosé and Bruno Mars APT inspired nail art. APT stands for apartment in case you didn't know. So I'm starting off my manicure with a sticky base coat to make my manicure long lasting. On my index and middle nail, I'm applying a bubblegum pink polish as base polish. On my index, I'm drawing heart with dark bright pink polish with help of toothpick. On my ring fingernail, I'm applying dark pink polish as base polish. This polish is like a darker version of electric pink color. Over this dark pink base, I'm going to draw cute little thunderbolt. First, I'm drawing small little vertical line at the center of my nail with black polish. Then I'm drawing two horizontal lines on both sides of vertical line. One is 1/3 below of vertical line and another one is 1/3 above. Then I'm connecting points of horizontal and vertical line by adding diagonal lines on both sides. Finally, I'm filling the gaps and here is my cute little thunderbolt. I drew thunderbolt in the same way on my middle nail as well. On my thumb, I'm applying black polish as base polish. Over black base, I drew APT but I had to draw it off camera. First, I sketched it on a paper to avoid any mistake. Then I outlined the design and then fill up the gaps with white color. Then I overlaid the white color with pink color. I had to do it off camera because I had bad eyesight, plus my studio setup makes it hard to do critical parts on camera. Finally, I'm finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of video you would like to see next. Share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.